Hey realtors, how well does your lender communicate on a scale of 1 to 10? So today I have Mr. David Howes, Senior Loan Officer on the Dan Hrey team, and we are going to talk about something that we do in regards to communication. It's a system and a process that we've implemented within our team. David's helped me figure this out since he's joined the team years ago, and realtors love it. It helps realtors grow. David and I were talking today about a couple of different things that we can do to tighten up our systems and processes even more. And he said, you know what, just the biggest thing, Dan, is how we communicate with our realtors from the time they send the lead in. So I'm going to let David talk about that a little bit here. So Mr. Howes, you want to tell people what I'm talking about?
That Realtor Nation, what's going on? Hey, just want to let you know what we do every single time we contact natural customers. We call the agent, we call you the realtor. After that conversation, keep you guys in the loop so there's no surprises. One of the things with Dan, no surprises, speed of response. That's what we do. So that's one of the things we do. Agents love it, and it's great. It's been working out well, helping us deepen relationships.
Okay, so that's very broad, my man. So we need to get into some details. So for example, realtor partners, you send me a client, a buyer, potential buyer. I talk to the buyer, typically go over what their goals are with them, go over their timeline, try to figure out if they know at that point their price range, down payment, comfort zone with their payment. And then I tell them, get this application completed, and the application gets completed, it comes in. That's where Mr. Howes comes in. At that point, when you pull the application in, I guess, and you have that talk with the buyer, somebody's phone's going off. You have that talk with the buyer. How do you keep the realtor partner in the loop? How do you keep them abreast of what's everything's going on?
Yeah, so we'll go over everything with the customer on the phone call, go over their needs, make sure we're meeting all the goals that they have, and then we'll call the partner, the agent, the realtor after that and give them an update. Obviously, we're getting them the PQF, the pre-approval letter that they need. We're getting them to them, but letting them know the situation, what's going on, if there's anything that they need to know about the transaction, and we'll go through that step by step and keep them posted. The biggest thing is that making sure that they're not surprised by anything in the transaction. Something's coming up, we let them know right away, and that makes a big difference.
So things that we do for you realtors when you send a lead over, every time we communicate with your client, we let you know. So for example, we copy realtors on emails to all of your clients. We put your leads into our CRM. David is the master of our CRM. So what that means to you realtors is it helps you grow in so many ways. We also, if you're in HomeBot, we connect you via HomeBot so you could see when your client's looking at homes on the market. But back to our CRM, anytime your client does anything with us, your name is tagged on your client. So we always go back to you and make sure that you're communicated to so that you know what's going on. Anything else that I missed there?
I think you need to tell them about the listing agents, what we do on their deals to help them get approved. I think that's really huge. It's really been successful for us.
So listing agents, any of you realtors out there that are making an offer and have an idea or I shouldn't say have an idea. If I can help you by calling the listing agent, if it can help you get your offer accepted, then let us know. Happy to make those calls. It worked tremendously well during COVID when there were multiple offers on homes. So, one of our partners would say, hey, Dan, can you call the listing agent, talk about your process, how you guys communicate during the process, what you guys do to keep the listing agent informed, because it's all about communication and speed of response, guys. So that's what David's talking about right there. But just wanted to go over how we've been successful in communicating. I think my team is a 10 out of 10. This dude right here is the reason. We are a top 1% originating team in the country. Mr. David Howes, let us know how we can help you guys. We appreciate your support and your trust. Let us know how we can help you grow and end 2022 on a strong note. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.
See ya.